Most survival food plans share one assumption that almost nobody questions: that cooking will always be possible, that propane will be available, that firewood can be found, that a heat source will exist when you need it. That assumption is wrong, and the moment it fails, every carefully planned stockpile of rice, beans, pasta, and oats becomes temporarily useless. Not permanently, temporarily. But in a crisis, temporarily useless is the same as useless. These 8 foods require nothing from you: no fire, no heat, no water, no equipment, no preparation of any kind. Open and eat, in complete darkness, while moving, when everything else has failed. This is not about replacing your cooked food supply. It is about covering the gap that every cooked food supply leaves open: the hours and days when cooking is simply not possible. Number 1 on this list delivers more calories per ounce than almost any other no-cook food available. Most people have never stocked it deliberately. Number 8. Canned fruit cocktail. In any disruption, the first nutritional signal most people ignore is the craving for something light, sweet, and cold. That craving is not weakness. It is the body signaling for vitamin C, natural sugars, and the sensory experience of fresh food, all of which disappear from a survival diet within the first week. Canned fruit cocktail requires nothing. Pull the tab. Eat cold directly from the can. Vitamin C from multiple fruit sources simultaneously. Natural glucose for immediate energy. Liquid from the juice that contributes to hydration without requiring cooking or preparation. But here is the specific function most people miss: the variety of fruit in a single can: peaches, pears, grapes, cherries, pineapple, delivers 5 different flavor experiences from one container. In a no-cook scenario where every other option tastes the same, that variety maintains the appetite that keeps your family eating enough to stay functional. The person who stocked only savory no-cook options is fighting flavor fatigue within days. The person who quietly added fruit cocktail has something sweet, cold, and genuinely different, available at any moment. 3 to 5 year shelf life. Zero preparation. 20 to 30 cans. 20 to 30 towels. The no-cook vitamin source most survival plans never specify. Sweet variety covered. Now the protein snack that travels further per ounce than almost anything. Number 7. Beef jerky. Dried. Shelf stable. Zero preparation. Complete protein and fat in a form that requires nothing except opening the package. Most people buy beef jerky as a snack. Serious preppers understand it as one of the most calorie-dense, protein-dense, no-cook foods available per ounce, which makes it specifically valuable for the scenarios where cooking is impossible and movement is required. Here's the function most people never think about. In a scenario where you are moving, evacuating, relocating, covering distance, every ounce in a bag has a calorie cost to carry. Beef jerky delivers roughly 80 calories per ounce of actual protein and fat. Almost no water weight, no packaging bulk beyond the sealed bag. The calorie-to-weight ratio is extraordinary compared to almost any canned option. And the specific satisfaction of chewing, the act of working through a piece of jerky, produces satiety signals that soft foods and liquid calories do not trigger. In a stressful situation where anxiety suppresses appetite, jerky is the food that actually gets eaten. 1 to 2 year shelf life sealed. Multiple protein sources: beef turkey, salmon jerky for variety. 5 to 8 large bags, 30 cents to $50. The portable no-cook protein most stockpiles understock. Portable protein covered. Now the spread that delivers 3 functions from one jar. Number 6. Canned hummus. Shelf-stable hummus, the kind sealed in individual portion cans rather than refrigerated tubs, lasts 1 to 3 years without refrigeration. Most people have never bought shelf-stable hummus. Most people do not know it exists in a no-refrigeration format. Here's what makes it specifically valuable in a no-cook scenario: complete protein from chickpeas, healthy fat from tahini and olive oil, and a flavor profile: savory, rich, slightly nutty, that is completely different from every other no-cook option in a standard stockpile. Eat directly from the can with anything as a dipper. Spread on any flatbread or cracker. Use as a base for any no-cook meal that needs fat and protein without opening a separate oil container. The person who has no hummus in their no-cook supply is assembling protein and fat from separate sources at every meal. The person who stocked shelf-stable hummus has protein, fat, and flavor already combined, instantly available with zero preparation. 10 to 15 cans. 22, $35. The no-cook complete protein most stockpiles have never considered. Complete protein and fat combined. Now the mix that delivers sustained energy for hours. Number 5. Trail mix. The gap that most no-cook survival plans leave open is sustained energy. Beef jerky delivers protein. Fruit cocktail delivers sugar. Hummus delivers fat and protein. But none of them deliver the specific combination of slow-release carbohydrates, protein, fat, and micronutrients simultaneously in a single handful. Trail mix does. Nuts, dense fat and protein. Dried fruit, natural sugars and fiber. Seeds, micronutrients. Occasionally dark chocolate, magnesium, and immediate mood support. The combination creates a slow-release energy profile that sustains physical and cognitive performance for hours without a spike and crash. In a no-cook scenario where meals are less structured and snacking fills the gaps, trail mix is the most nutritionally complete handful available, and the psychological function matters specifically here. Trail mix is familiar snack food. Children eat it willingly, adults associate it with normal activity. In a disruption where everything feels abnormal, reaching for something that feels like a hiking snack rather than a survival ration maintains the morale that keeps people functioning. Sealed. 1 year easily. Longer in cool dark storage. 5 to 8 large bags. $25 to $40. The sustained energy option most no-cook plans understock. Sustained energy covered. Now, the seed that hides the most overlooked mineral combination. Number 4. Sunflower seed packets. Individual sunflower seed packets, the kind sold near checkout lanes, cost under $2 each and deliver something most no-cook survival plans never deliberately stock. Vitamin E in concentrations that most shelf-stable foods cannot match. Magnesium for muscle function and stress regulation. Selenium for immune and thyroid support. Healthy fat for sustained energy. Complete protein. All from a sealed packet that requires nothing. Open. Eat. Done. But here's the specific function that serious preppers quietly value about individual packets specifically. Single-serve packaging means each packet is opened and consumed without exposing the rest of the supply to air and moisture. In a no-cook scenario, where storage conditions may be imperfect, individual packets maintain quality far better than a single large bag opened repeatedly. Every packet is a sealed fresh serving. The person who bought one large bag of sunflower seeds is managing oxidation and moisture exposure with every opening. The person who stocked individual packets is getting fresh nutrition from each sealed serving regardless of storage conditions. 20 to 30 packets. $20 to $30. The individually sealed micronutrient source most plans never specify. Vitamin E and magnesium covered. Now the snack that crosses into medicine. Number 3. Pork rinds. This is the one that surprises people most. Pork rinds, fried pork skin, are one of the highest calorie density no-cook foods available at any grocery store per ounce. Zero carbohydrates, pure protein and fat, nothing else. In any scenario where carbohydrate intake is already high from survival staples, rice, oats, pasta when cooking resumes, pork rinds balance the macronutrient ratio without adding more carbohydrates. But here's the specific no-cook function most people never consider. Fat calories are more than twice as energy-dense as carbohydrate calories per gram. In a situation where physical demands are high and meal frequency is uncertain, fat calories from pork rinds maintain energy and body temperature more efficiently than carbohydrate-heavy snacks. They are also loud and crunchy, a sensory experience that is completely different from every soft, quiet survival food in a standard stockpile. That specific sensory contrast, the crunch, the salt, the familiar snack experience, triggers a psychological comfort response that bland survival food cannot replicate. Sealed. 3 months to 1 year depending on packaging. Stock and rotate. 10 to 15 large bags, $20 to $30. The zero carbohydrate, no cook fat source most survival plans never include. Zero carbohydrate, no cook fat source most survival plans never include. Zero carb, fat, and protein covered. Now the dessert that functions as medicine. Number 2. Canned pudding. Individual canned pudding cups, shelf-stable, requiring zero preparation, are one of the most overlooked no-cook morale tools available. Here is the function most people dismiss as unnecessary until they need it. In any disruption lasting more than 72 hours, dessert disappears from the family diet almost immediately. Sugar is available, ingredients exist. But the specific experience of dessert, something sweet, soft, portioned, intentional, Requires preparation that no-cook scenarios cannot support. Canned pudding delivers dessert with zero preparation. Pull the tab. Hand it to a child. Watch their reaction. That reaction, genuine satisfaction from something that tastes like normal life, is documented in disaster relief psychology as one of the most effective morale interventions available, not because of the calories, because of what it signals. That someone thought ahead, that things are being taken care of, that this is manageable. Military ration designers understood this for decades. Dessert in a field ration is not indulgence. It is a documented performance tool. Beyond morale, canned pudding delivers calcium from milk-based varieties, energy from natural sugars, and the specific soft texture that is accessible to anyone with dental sensitivity or illness-related appetite changes. 2-year shelf life, zero preparation, 20 to 30 cups, $15 to $25. The no-cook dessert that most serious plans dismiss and most families desperately need. Morale dessert covered. And now, number 1. Nut seed mix. Bulk. Not trail mix. Not individual nuts. Bulk mixed nuts and seeds specifically, almonds, cashews, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, in a sealed resealable container. Here is why this closes the list. Per ounce, bulk mixed nuts and seeds deliver more calories than beef jerky, more calories than trail mix, more calories than any other no-cook food on this list. And those calories come from the combination of dense, healthy fat and complete protein that sustains physical performance and cognitive function longer than any single macronutrient source alone. But the specific function that makes bulk nut and seed mix the number 1 no-cook food is this. It is the food that requires the absolute least from you. No tab to pull, no package to tear, no utensil to find. Reach into the container. Take a handful. The calories are in your hand immediately. At 2 a.m. when your family is hungry, when you are exhausted, when reaching for anything more complicated feels like too much. A handful of mixed nuts and seeds is the answer that asks nothing of you. Magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, selenium. Omega-3s from walnuts specifically. The most complete micronutrient profile of any no-cook food available per handful. Sealed in airtight container, 1 year easily. Longer in cool dark storage. 3 to 4 large sealed containers. 30 tuz, 40 riot Eden to $50.30 $50. The no-cook food that delivers the most nutrition with the least effort every single time you reach for it. 8 foods. Every one of them ready the moment you need them with nothing required from you. Canned fruit cocktail, beef jerky, shelf-stable hummus, trail mix, sunflower seed packets, pork rinds, canned pudding, and bulk nut and seed mix. Total cost, under $200. Most survival plans are built around the assumption that cooking will always be possible. It will not always be possible. Fuel runs out, heat sources fail, situations develop where cooking is not an option. Not for hours, not for days. These 8 foods exist specifically for those moments. Sealed. Ready. Requiring nothing. The gap in most survival plans is not the food that gets cooked. It is the food that is there when cooking is not. Subscribe. Next video covers the complete no-cook meal system that covers your family for 30 days without a single flame. Drop a comment. Which of these 8 is already in your stockpile tonight?